Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix the App Store not showing on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, check if the App Store is hidden. Swipe down to the home screen and search for the App Store in the search bar. If it appears you can't find it and on the home screen it might be in folder, so check the app folder, and if it's still missing, go to settings and click the screen time. Then here go to content and privacy restrictions and make sure they've turned off. Or if they're turned on, tap allowed apps and make sure the app store is enabled. Another trick is to check if you have restrictions set by family sharing or parental controls. Those can also hide the app store. If nothing works, restart your iPhone. A quick reboot often fixes small glitch. And as a last resort, update the iOS to the latest version under Settings. Just go to General and click Software Update. And that's it. That's how you can fix App Store not showing on your iPhone. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.